Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the essentials: clean audio and a way to get paid. Once you have a WAV or high bitrate MP3, pick a method: fully human for accuracy, automated for speed, or hybrid to balance cost. Create accounts on one freelancing marketplace and a payment processor. Make sure tax forms and ID are ready. Then open a transcription editor, load the file, and play a short segment to set playback speed and timestamps so you can begin immediately. Once underway, optimize the middle work. Start with an automated pass to generate base text. Make sure to export timestamps and speaker labels. Then proofread in chunks using hotkeys, short rewinds, and 1.25x playback to keep flow. For long files, split into 10-15-minute segments and batch edits to avoid fatigue. Make sure to verify names, numbers, and jargon. Those are what clients pay for. Track your minutes and corrections so you can set a competitive per-minute rate later. You finish by delivering a formatted transcript with timestamps, speaker tags, and a short summary so clients immediately see value. Charge per audio minute. Offer rush fees and a revision window to increase earnings. If a client reports errors, first ask for the original audio or a higher quality file, then run noise reduction and recheck problem segments. If automated output fails, escalate to a full human edit. This is the only reliable path to salvage poor audio and keep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.